Welcome to my PodTalks English channel. We'll talk, learn, and practice English together, step by step. Let's start speaking English with confidence. Hi, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast.
Hello, I'm Ben.
And I'm Anna. Today, we're going to talk about family.
Family is one of the most important things in our lives.
Yes, we'll talk about parents, siblings, grandparents, family time, and more.
Let's begin.
Ben, what is a family to you?
A family is a group of people who love and care for each other.
I agree. Family can be parents, children, and sometimes grandparents.
Yes, and family can also mean close friends who feel like family. Let's talk about parents first.
My parents are kind and hardworking.
What do they do?
My dad is a teacher and my mom is a nurse.
That's great. My parents run a small shop.
How many people are in your family, Ben?
There are 5 people in my family. My parents, my 2 sisters, and me.
I have 4 people in my family. My parents, my brother, and me.
Nice.
Do you get along with your sisters?
Yes, most of the time. Sometimes we fight, but we always forgive each other.
That's normal. My brother and I also argue, but we love each other.
In every family, people have different roles.
That's right. Parents work to support the family.
Children help at home and study hard.
Everyone has something important to do. Do you live with your grandparents?
No, but they live nearby. I visit them often.
That's nice. I live with my grandmother. She cooks very well.
Grandparents always make delicious food.
Does your family have any traditions?
Yes, every Sunday we eat dinner together.
My family visits the countryside every New Year.
Traditions make families closer. What do you do with your family in your free time?
We watch movies and go for walks.
My family likes to play board games together.
That sounds fun. Family meals are important.
Yes, eating together makes us happy.
We talk about our day and share stories.
Food and love always go together. Families support each other in good and bad times.
True, when I'm sad, my mom listens to me.
When I'm stressed, my dad gives good advice.
How does your family celebrate birthdays?
We have a small party and a cake.
Me too. We sing and take photos.
Family celebrations are full of joy.
Good communication keeps a family strong.
Yes, we should talk openly and kindly.
Listening is also important.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I wash dishes and clean my room.
I help my mom cook sometimes.
Helping makes family life better. Every family has problems sometimes.
Yes, but it's important to talk and solve them.
Understanding each other helps a lot.
What are important family values for you?
Love, respect, and honesty.
I agree. Also, kindness and responsibility.
Parents always care about our education.
Yes, they want us to have a good future.
My parents always tell me to do my best.
Does your family travel together?
Yes, every summer we go to the beach.
My family visits mountains. It's relaxing.
Grandparents always give good advice.
Yes, they share their life experience.
I love listening to their old stories.
Do you take family photos often?
Yes, we have many albums.
Looking at old photos makes me smile.
Do you have pets?
Yes, a dog named Lucky.
Cute. My family has a cat.
Pets are part of the family too.
Respect keeps families peaceful.
Yes, we should respect parents and elders.
And also respect each other's opinions.
Does your family have rules?
Yes, like no phone at dinner.
Ours too. It helps us talk more.
What are your family's dreams?
To be healthy and happy together.
That's a beautiful dream.
Technology helps families connect.
Yes, we can call or video chat.
Even when far away, we stay close.
What if you learned from your family?
To be patient and kind.
I learned to never give up.
When I failed an exam, my family encouraged me.
Mine too. They said, try again.
Family always lifts us up.
As we grow up, our family helps us change.
Yes, they guide us to be better people.
Love is the heart of every family.
Yes, love connects us no matter what. Families around the world have different traditions.
Yes, some celebrate New Year, others big family days.
All show love in their own way. Let's practice. How do you say, I love my family?
I love my family.
Great. How about, I live with my parents? Let's learn some words. Father, mother, son, daughter, cousin, aunt, uncle.
Good job.
How would you describe your mom?
She's caring and patient.
My dad is funny and friendly. My family likes gardening together.
We cook together on weekends.
In many cultures, family is everything.
Yes, family gives us identity and values.
What advice would you give about family?
Spend time together and listen more.
We should thank our family often.
Yes, thank you, Mom and Dad. Sometimes people live far from family.
Yes, but calls and letters help stay close.
Families should forgive each other.
Yes, no one is perfect.
My family wants to travel more.
Mine wants to save money and buy a new house.
What kind of family do you want in the future?
A happy, small, and loving one.
I feel lucky to have my family.
Me too. They are my biggest gift.
There's a saying, family is where life begins and love never ends.
That's beautiful.
Today we talked about family, love, and respect.
And learned many new English words.
What makes your family happy?
We are happy when we spend time together.
Yes, laughter at home makes everyone smile.
Happiness grows when we care for each other.
Families are also part of a bigger community.
That's true. Families help neighbors and friends.
My family joins local cleanup days.
Ours donates food to people in need.
Families change as time goes by,
Yes, children grow up and parents get older.
but love stays the same.
Change makes families stronger and wiser.
Do you have a favorite family memory?
Yes, our first camping trip was amazing.
Mine was when we danced in the rain together.
Family memories make life beautiful.
Today we talked about so many things about family: love, respect, support, and joy.
Yes, family is not just people we live with. It's people who love us no matter what.
So let's thank our families every day.
And remember, a happy family is a treasure for life.
Thank you for listening to our podcast.
See you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye, everyone.